Release clause. A release clause allows the mortgagor to sell part of the loan. This is usually seen in a development scenario because the developer gets one loan for the entire development. But when he sells this parcel of land with the building, the developer is going to have to pay whatever the percentage of the loan for that particular space has. This way, the lender that has this loan will go ahead and release that this land with the building and will take out the lien that it has. So the buyer can now get its own lien with its own loan. If there is no release clause, then what are you going to have? You're going to have two liens in the same property, and no lender will ever want to loan to a buyer that way. So this is really seen in a developer's scenario where they can release part of the loan and release part of the lien in their full loan to be able to sell their product. For more tips and tricks, please visit my website. And if you want to schedule a one-on-one tutoring session for the state test on the real estate or brokers, go ahead and pick a time and date, and I'll be more than happy to help you. Till next time.